Hey, what's up guys? It's been a little while, but I'm gonna go ahead and get you updated on what's been going on. I have my Grim Speed up pipe. I'm gonna go ahead and check and see if there's a valve seat in between this V-band. When I first swapped the car and threw the external wastegate on, the external wastegate was actually stuck open and I thought there was an exhaust leak. Here's a clip. Crazy, right? But anyways, there may not be a valve seat in between the external wastegate and the dump tube. So, just to make sure, went ahead and got one of these bad boys that came in a long time ago. So we're gonna go ahead and put this guy in, or make sure that it has it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take apart the external wastegate from the dump tube and see if it has the valve seat. If not, we're gonna go ahead and install this guy and see how it goes afterwards. Alright, so what you're going to need for this is, what I used was a 3/16. Oh, damn, can't really focus right here.
Like that.
Oh, there you are. 3/16 Allen. Real quick, we're just going to be taking this part off right here. So we're going to undo the V-band and then see if the valve seat is in fact in there. Okay, there we go. Alright, the bolts are off. Let's get the V-band out. Let's use a fork. Push it out. Hey. This too. Hey. Oh, what do you know? What do you know? No valve seat. Okay, so this guy right here that comes with the kit, if you're gonna buy it brand new, make sure this is in there or else your external wastegate is gonna be stuck open. So this is gonna go ahead and sit right here. Valve seat is in, like I was saying before. So this is what it looks like without it, right? And then you have the valve seat right here. And it goes in like this. And it kind of sticks out a little bit. You have like a little bit of a lip right here. But so does the dump tube. Has a little lip right here to accommodate that valve seat right there. So it's going to meet up perfectly regardless. Once you put it back together, it's going to look like this. And then you can put your V-band around it. You know, twist this where it needs to be so the dump tube can like fit perfectly. Once you install that, let's go ahead and put this back together. This is your V-band. You're going to go ahead and put around the lips of the wastegate and the dump tube. Around like so. Oh shit. Put this muff. Oh shit. Oh no. Hey Stefan. Can you help me?
Yeah.
Alright. I need you to hold this right here, okay?
Yeah.
Hold it like that, okay? Keep it right there. Thank you. Right there.
Like that.
Yeah. Oh. Alright, so the V-band is on. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
And now the bolts can go back in. So the bolt's gonna go back in.
Okay. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
You're
Appreciate it.
welcome.
Thanks. You're good help, you know that? Yeah, that should be alright. Alright. There you have it. Valve seat install for the Tial 38mm MBS. For those of you interested, what was playing in the background, it was Run Gun Midnight, a little anime that me and my son have been watching for the past couple days. Gotta start him young. Stay tuned for the next episode where I'll be doing the install. Happy tuning. Catch you on the next one.
Bye.